Hello everyone. So for today, I did pre-do some of this just because it's becoming long and we only have a few pages left. I already clipped this one, already clipped this one. This one I added some handmade paper inside of. This one, a journaling card I had made years ago, or at least a year ago, with "Love is patient, love is kind" on it. I really liked this journaling card, but I've never actually used it. Alright, so now we're going to get going with adding some pieces to this. And then I'm just trying to think what exactly I want to do. Sorry for the reach. I just wanted to see if this is way too big. Yeah, it is. Okay. I was thinking of an envelope idea, but nope, not going to work. Alright. Now we're going to just grab some coffee dyed paper, I think, and I'm just going to glue it down with this one. Yeah. It's your own choice what you're going to add and not add to your altered journals. You don't have to make every page a collage page. You don't have to. Again, there isn't any rules with these types of things. Yeah, some people may have rules for themselves, but I like to make mine as interactive as possible when it comes down to making my altered books. I don't want to just have plain paper on every single page and to make it flat and everything. I want whoever gets my altered book to realize, oh, I can do this. There's space for this, you know. I don't want it to be plain. I like having color. Again, that's my point of view. You could have your own point of view on how you want to see an altered journal. But again, it's one of them. What do you want when you see it? Do you want a plain journal, or do you want a journal that you can interactively like play with? I like using altered journals or altered books if I buy one. I like to use them as my art books. So I take what's currently in it and I'll either add more to it, or again, I just have fun with it. That's what I recommend for you. Have fun with it. Don't play the, oh, I don't know game. It ain't worth it. Have fun making it. I mean, my last altered book, I didn't do much fun things with it. Honestly, it seemed kind of boring. I mean, we all have our own individual things, but make it you. Don't do the expected, or again, use it like what I'm doing. I'm kind of making it like an idea book, but it's being called an altered journal, you know. So that's gonna be left there. This, I was thinking I could paper clip it right here. I like this picture. I don't know why. And I thought, you know what? Why don't we just keep the picture and just paper clip our floating journal here piece. I have some of this coffee dyed paper left. I'm going to stick it inside it so they know that this middle part is a pocket. Because at the moment, I don't even see that it's a pocket. So And I added some handmade paper to it. Again, a lot of these are recent projects that we just finished with, and why not? So I think we're gonna take the time and get this ready to go here. Why not? Get some of these pages going. This one I'm gonna do an above one for and I think I'm gonna do a double one, so that's why I kind of handled it the way I did. All right, so we'll glue this one down quick. Again, we only have a few pages to go, so I'm thinking, why don't we just finish it? Why sit here and make this go for another month or another few weeks if we can just be done with it? I'm sure you're wondering why I haven't been doing these like the way I was. I don't always want to. You know, it's all depending on the person. So this one I want to clip in the middle, and then what's going on? Yeah, this one. Clip it in the middle, and again I'm just swiping this across here. I'm not being too particular with this because I know this is the last page. So let's see what we can add to this and everything while we're, because I mean, yeah, we're almost done. Might as well finish it up. I love doing stuff like this, but